Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to combine columns in a Google Sheet spreadsheet. Right, so if you want to combine some merge columns in a Google Sheet spreadsheet, here's how to do it. So we have this project management sheet, and let's see, for the sake of simplicity, a new tab here, this sheet 27 tab. And if you want to combine columns, first you have to select the columns you want to combine into one column. So you can select columns by selecting one column, and then without lifting your finger from the mouse, just keep pressing the mouse and you will be able to select multiple columns, or you can also use the shift for this. So once you have selected a multiple Google Sheets column, all we have to do is click on the merge cells icon here, or if you do not see it here, you can also click on format and merge cells here. So click here, and as you can see, these three columns have been combined into one Google Sheet column. So what you have to keep in mind is if you have text in the column or any other value, so numbers as well, then if you click on the merge cells, as you can see, merging cells or combining cells or columns will only preserve the top leftmost value, merge anyway, and if you click on OK, as you can see, the values have been deleted from this column. So in this case, what you can also do is use the concatenate function instead of the merge cells feature. And if you concatenate the values here, you can see that they won't be deleted. I have another tutorial where I go more deeply into this Google Sheets function. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check out that tutorial. But all in all, this is how you can combine columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.